ZANU-PF held a crucial Politburo meeting in Harare yesterday, at a crucial time, when President Emmerson Mnangagwa and Vice President ED Chiwenga are locked in a fierce political battle over succession in the 2030 campaign. Sanapna mashoko obudachitogwa panapa nakumna when the news hawks is an update ye Politburo meeting yayitika nezuro nobva subscribe like on the bell kutipira panapa manyora chiti their political brinkmanship has been going on for some time in a chess-like game for politics. This game is war veterans who've been on war path against Mnangagwa, whom they say is dismally failed and must go. But Mnangagwa supporters insist that he should extend his rule to 2030, a disguise for a third term. He, however, denies he has any such ambition, although his actions show he wants to stay on. Chiwenga and his military-backed function are opposed and are fighting against it by proxy. Although Mnangagwa and Chiwenga occasionally sit and laugh together, there is no love lost between them. They are at war with each other over the ruling party's succession issue. In chess, there is spinning and forking, which is politics referred to strategic designs and tactical moves to outmaneuver rivals. The game of chess offers lots of valuable insights into strategic and tactical aspects of politics. By understanding the pieces, players, and moves involved, one can better navigate the complex world of politics and make more informed decisions. Forking involves presenting an opponent with a difficult decision or a dilemma where either choice leads to an unfavorable outcome. This tactic is often used to create divisions within an opponent's camp or to force them to review their true intentions. The battle between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga has now become a strategic and tactical game, just like chess. On the news hawks, post this picture, I'm going to choose the ZANU-PF succession. President Emmerson Mnangagwa and Vice President ED Chiwenga pinning and forking to gain a strategic advantage or to disrupt each other's plans. Tomashoko apanapa akabata ma headlines nemashoko ezvirikuitika mu the ruling party ZANU-PF. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi pinda comment section medu tudze mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.